What a big bounce back, huh? Man, oh man, it really mopped up the some longs and shorts yesterday. It's crazy. You get the downside of this wedge right here. I guarantee when this thing broke, this support, you probably had so many people go short. You know what I mean? And look at all the selling right there. How many Bitcoin was that? Um, 18,000. Unbelievable. And that sucks. I hate to see that for people. You know what I mean? 18,000 Bitcoin sold there. And look at the bounce we get back today. You know what I mean? It's a real bummer for people. I don't like seeing anybody do bad in anything. I really don't. That just it's a bummer. But okay, we got over here open interest 37 billion, 24-hour liquidations 123 million dollars. All right, ended up being it was quite a bit yesterday. That's down 81% from yesterday. So I forget what it was, 180 million yesterday, or it was a lot. I can't remember offhand. But 24-hour volume, 121.6 billion. That's down 45% from yesterday. Had a lot of people jumping in, trying to buy that bottom yesterday. Good move, because a lot of these things. Look at this. Beam from the low yesterday, it's up 80 some percent from its low yesterday. Caspa doing very well. A lot of stuff out there. When Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin is the leader. It's the locomotive of this whole crypto train. Whatever it does, all these guys follow. I mean, that's just how it is when you got 51% of the market cap. That's what happens. And this huge wedge. Now we're breaking out the upper side of it again. I guess if you want to call it a wedge, you know what I mean? If you go out in the daily, this was a support the whole way from down here, the whole way up. Then you had upper resistance, which I guess you could call it a wedge. But, if you're going to go with something like that with any kind of measurement, you'd probably, let me take a look at something here. I'm kind of curious. Did this match up through here? Yeah, I would say, you kind of had a wedge forming inside of there. That would give you a more accurate measurement of what kind of target we would be looking for, as far as a breakout. Okay, let's just be fair about it and take it from inside. Measure this out, put it on top. Up around 48,000 bucks. All right, that's going to put us up into the 618 area of Bitcoin for the whole total move of it. Out on a monthly, 48,000. Let's see here. This is important here, guys. Just give me 1 second. Let me show you this. If you go out on a monthly, all right, 48,557 is the 618. All right, so. That's right up there through the 53. That's the area of concern. Okay, I believe we are going to be in a bull market this year, but right through here, you pay very, very close attention. All right, could get a rejection there, a hard rejection, the halving coming up in April, and then start chugging our way back up. But these RSIs, like the monthly, look how high it is. The weekly. And I'm not trying to be like a gloom and doom at all, because I am more bullish on crypto than probably anybody. But I'm a realist too. When these start getting high, like this is ready to flip back up again, the weekly, but that monthly, it's up at 196. Okay, so it's getting up there. All right, let's go back over this chart here real quick. The other Bitcoin chart we were just on here, and we got Bitcoin dominance. What is it doing? Let's see real quick. Bitcoin dominance is rising. All right, let's see here on the daily. Yeah, look at that bounce. Look at the bounce it got here. It came down there, and if you watch my videos, guys, you know that I said it'd probably come back up to this trend line area. And that'll make up a big decision here. 618 is over here, so if it piddles around for a few more days, gets to 618 or 702, and then rolls over, That would be nice to see. A 702 rejection would probably mean a ABC coming in, so that would be big. And I want to give a shout out real quick before we cover Bitcoin the rest of the way to the members. Got from the top to the bottom, 63 members now, guys. Thank you so very, very much. You guys are absolutely the best community ever, and I enjoy being on Discord with you guys. Got some new people to welcome here: Dylan, LB Crypto, ST Jopa, Bob Stanley, Jamie, Rachel, Tom Brown, Matt. And I apologize. Atolic, Robert Morse. I apologize. This thing keeps flipping around on me here. I'll start scrolling down through. Watch, it'll go right back to the top. I'm not doing it, but there it goes. See, so I apologize. I can't go down through everybody one at a time here, but thank you so much, guys. And if you haven't, please check out my level 3 trading membership. It's $14.99. Get you 8 hours worth of videos to learn how to chart these things, and just the basic membership's 99 cents a month. That helps out a lot. Every bit helps, and I appreciate it more than you guys know. I really, really do. It gives me a lot of momentum to come do these things every day. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right, I know it looks like a little bit of a jumbled mess up here. Let's zoom in here, okay? Got that breakout. Obviously, that flash crash yesterday, and we're coming back up into a very, very crucial area here, okay? You kind of, this resistance line, all right, you could run it down through there like that. Matches up more, kind of, I'm not going to mess too much with it. But any break of 44, call it 45,000 bucks, then it's probably going to head back up here to these higher ranges. All right, so let's get that off there, because I want to put a Fibonacci on this thing. All right, go from swing high to the swing low. You can see we hit that 786 right there. Okay, so at $45,000, 44. This says 44,825, but call it 45,000. All right, any break of 45,000. Then we'll be heading up towards these higher levels, looking at taking out 45,944. Now the RSIs here, let's take a look at them, because they obviously mean a lot. We got the 12-hour just turning back up bullish. It's at 38 and a 40, but it's just getting ready to cross over. The daily is at a 57 and a 60, but okay, this thing ended up bouncing. All right, look here. These RSIs, when you use your trend lines on them, they work just like price trend lines, okay? You can see this road down through, broke out, retested, and has bounced now, okay? This was actually, I don't know how it got down there, but this was up here. It was kind of wedging up in here like that. So the RSI, I believe that daily is going to flip back up here from the RSI down here. That looks great. The 8-hour just turned up bullish. It's at a 31, a 22, and your 4-hour is bullish heading up. Okay, so it looks like Bitcoin is probably going to give a shot at breaking 45,000 here, and then if it does, watch out for this high over here, 45,950. We take out that, and we're on our way here, but we'll work at them ones first. Got very good support down here at 44,000. And you also got very good support down here at about 43,750, 43,750. All right, so if you're charting this, put your Fibonacci on there. Watch for that 786 to break there, okay? But we are on the outside of that wedge again, okay? So any move up is going to be a pretty good move. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you soon.